Okay, hello guys, I am Jobs and today I will show you how do I prepare a content for our social media campaigns. Alright, so the campaign is about our WhatsApp business campaign. Okay, the goal is to promote the company WhatsApp number in booking appointments. The mood will be happy and persuading. The theme will be the company branding, of course, and we will associate the WhatsApp branding colors. It will be a short video or a short uh, video graphics animation. The duration will be only 20 seconds. We will be using it as a Instagram story and WhatsApp status. Okay? Alright. So in preparing the materials I needed for the video, I am using Photoshop here. And as you can see, I prepared already the designs. Okay, so this is the background, the normal template I am using when I am creating a content. So I just changed the company name. I made a backup here just for the video purposes, of course. As you can see here, we have the background already. And the storyboard one will be this WhatsApp logo here with the text saying book appointments by WhatsApp and the backup number. This is what we wanted them to do for the viewer what to do. Okay? And then after that we have the storyboard too, and that is the vector image here saying that they will get 10% if they do what we are asking them to do, to book an appointment by WhatsApp. And then here we have a supporting graphics, simple graphics to support the animation of the vector image. Okay? And the last storyboard 3 is the call to an action button. Alright, when all of this is ready, all the designs is ready, all the storyboard is ready. Like for example, the storyboard 3 is call for an action button. We're going to save it as PNG file. Actually, it's saved here already. Alright. So you're going to name it as storyboard 3. And then use the PNG file. Make sure that you are saving it on PNG file so that the background will not be included on this image. Alright, and when you're ready, click save. Yes. Alright, let's check the folder. This is the folder where we saved the materials we needed. Okay, as you can see here, the storyboard 1 to storyboard 3 is prepared. Alright, when all the storyboards, the designs is already, the materials, it's time for us to jump to Premiere. Start the video. Alright, as you can see here, I already prepared the project timeline here. Okay, so I will be moving this one, background, and I will be changing it. Duration will be 20 seconds of this content. Alright. As you can see here, I am just using basic video transition like push, center split, and here we'll be using cube spin. Right? So, in order for us to associate the WhatsApp branding, I made here a box using the WhatsApp branding color to make a transition between storyboard to next storyboard like this. Alright, and boom, and then boom again. Also on transition of the different services. Okay. We'll be adjusting this one. Alright. So when we're done, let's render the sequence. Okay. So primarily, my guidelines on making a content for our social media marketing campaign is just three goals. It should be specific and direct. It should be simple and not, and most importantly, it should call for an action. Okay, when it's ready, it's time for us to save this. Alright, the rendering is done and it's time to watch the output. Okay. Alright, and that is how I prepare the content for our social media campaign. Thank you for watching.